Welcome back to Eco Wellness Journeys, where we explore the joy of living consciously, connecting with nature, and making sustainable choices every day. Today, we're diving deep into the art of hosting a sustainable dinner party. Not only will we create a memorable gathering for your loved ones, but we'll do it with the planet in mind. Together, we'll explore ideas for delicious food, eco-friendly decor, mindful entertainment, and much more. Every great party begins with mindful planning. Let's talk about invitations. Instead of sending out paper invites, go digital. Platforms like Paperless Post or Canva offer beautiful options for eco-conscious hosts. If you want to get extra personal, send a voice message or video invitation. Not only is this a sustainable choice, but it also adds a warm, personal touch that your guests will love. Now, on to the guest list. Hosting an intimate, low-waste dinner party helps reduce the need for excess food and energy use. Think about how you can create a cozy, connected environment with a smaller group of close friends or family. It's not about the size of the gathering. It's about the quality of the experience. Now let's get to the heart of any dinner party, the food. While in previous videos we've talked about choosing local food and creating a plant-based dinner party menu, it's also important to consider dietary inclusivity. Offering a variety of dishes that cater to different dietary needs, like gluten-free, dairy-free, or nut-free options, not only makes everyone feel welcome, but it also aligns with a more sustainable mindset. A diverse menu encourages thoughtful, conscious consumption. You could even challenge yourself to create a zero-waste dish. For example, if you're making vegetable soup, save the veggie scraps throughout the week to create a rich, flavorful broth. Nothing goes to waste. Compost any leftover food scraps to further minimize your environmental impact. Hosting a sustainable dinner party also means thinking carefully about where your ingredients come from. When possible, choose fair trade, organic, and ethically sourced ingredients. For example, opt for fair trade chocolate for dessert, or organic olive oil for your salads. These choices support ethical farming practices and ensure that workers are paid fairly. It's a simple yet powerful way to extend your party's positive impact beyond your backyard. When it comes to setting the scene, sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing style. In fact, it's an opportunity to get creative. For the table, use what you already have. Instead of buying new, you can repurpose things like glass jars for candles, or mismatched dishes for a rustic, homey feel. If you want to add a pop of color, cloth napkins are not only reusable, but they're also a lovely way to dress up your table. One of my favorite things about hosting a zero-waste dinner party is the chance to get creative with natural elements. Use fresh herbs as a fragrant centerpiece, or scatter dried leaves and flowers for a natural, earthy vibe. These elements can later be composted, leaving little to no waste behind. Want to send your guests home with a little something? Consider giving eco-friendly party favors. Things like small potted plants, reusable beeswax wraps, or homemade jam in glass jars are thoughtful and sustainable gifts that your guests can enjoy long after the party is over. By offering zero waste or reusable gifts, you're not only showing appreciation to your guests, but also continuing the conversation about sustainability. They'll leave inspired to incorporate eco-friendly practices into their own lives. Let's talk about drinks. When it comes to sustainable drink choices, local wines and organic beverages are a fantastic option. But why not take it a step further? Create your own signature cocktail using herbs from your garden. You can make a batch of rosemary lemonade or a lavender-infused spritzer. Refreshing, delicious, and completely waste-free. Serve drinks in reusable glassware, or if it's a larger gathering, opt for compostable cups made from natural materials like bamboo or sugarcane. A sustainable dinner party isn't just about the food and decorations. It's also about the experience. Incorporating mindful entertainment can create a meaningful atmosphere while keeping things low impact. Consider hosting a post-dinner storytelling session, where each guest shares a meaningful story related to nature, sustainability, or community. This not only encourages connection, but also fosters a deeper awareness of the environment. Another idea is to set up a zero-tech game station with activities that don't rely on power, like charades or a trivia game about environmental facts. It's fun, engaging, and requires no additional energy consumption. Transportation is another often overlooked area where you can make a sustainable impact. Encourage your guests to carpool, bike, or even walk if possible. Providing clear details about nearby public transport can make it easier for everyone to consider greener options. Another fun option? If you're hosting within a close-knit neighborhood, suggest a sustainable potluck where each person brings a dish from their home, avoiding the need for long trips to the grocery store or heavy packaging. As your evening winds down, don't forget that the low-waste dinner party continues even after the last guest leaves. Take care to compost any leftover food, recycle any bottles or cans, and reuse decorations or store them for future events. Sustainable hosting doesn't end when the lights go out. It's about forming habits that you can carry forward into your everyday life. Hosting a sustainable dinner party is more than just throwing a great gathering. It's a way to live out your values, inspire others, and create lasting memories that tread lightly on the earth. Every choice, from the food we serve to the way we decorate, has the potential to create a ripple of positive impact. So, as you plan your next gathering, think about how you can incorporate these sustainable practices. Thank you for joining me today. If you're ready for more eco-friendly inspiration, be sure to subscribe and check out my video on how to start a zero-waste lifestyle. Let's continue making conscious choices, one dinner party at a time. See you next time.